Hello, friends. It seems to me that you guys are having a lot of trouble with the map skills worksheet in the week of August 31st through September 4th. So I'm going to walk you through it one more time. I think I've done it about 3 times so far. So let's figure this out. So you're going to go to the assignment. You're going to click on the document. Do you see that it's black? You cannot type on it at all. You have to open it with a Google Doc. And then from here, you can type in it. You can type your answers, which would be fabulous, as some of you have not turned this in yet. So you scroll down once it loads. You have to read the map, you have to answer the questions, and you have to look at the map and the legend and type your answers here, down here, okay? So complete that based on the map. When you are done, you have to turn it in from here. So you have to hit share, and you have to share it with Miss Cantwell. Okay, when you click me and then you hit done, it will come to me and I will grade it. And that is how you complete the Map Skills 2 assignment from that week.